Hey guys, welcome to yet another episode of the Shosha podcast. मैं हूँ विजीत भट्ट और मेरे साथ है टीम शोशा, श्वेता रश्मि एंड सौम्य शर्मा। और आज हम बात करने वाले हैं एक नए वेब सीरीज के बारे में जो रिलीज हुआ है Amazon पे, कॉल्ड तांडव। Let's begin. All right, so Tandav, starring a lot of people, starring Saif Ali Khan, starring Tigrmanchu Dhulia, starring सबके फेवरेट Dino Moria, starring Dimple Kapadia, starring Sunil Grover. बहुत सारे actors यहाँ पर whom you guys might have seen, and it's a political thriller. It's a political thriller where without giving the spoiler, एक बहुत prominent नेताजी जो हैं वो चल बसते हैं और फिर उसके बाद एक जो void बन जाता है political scenario में, उसको कैसे सब लोग fill करने आते हैं। ये है पूरा शो का एक बेसिक सा प्रेमाइस। ओके, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल क्विक रिएक्शंस, स्टार्टिंग विद श्वेता, कैसा लगा शो आपको?
सो आई थिंक डेफिनेटली ये साल का पहला सबसे बड़ा एक रिलीज है तांडव, व्हिच इज नाउ ऑब्वियसली ऑन Amazon Prime. जब से ट्रेलर आया था ज्यादा चीजें नहीं पता चल रही थी कि क्या कुछ हो रहा है. आई थिंक ऑल्सो बिकॉज लाइक यू सेड इसमें बहुत सारे एक्टर्स हैं. यू नो एवरी एक्टर, आई एम श्योर दे हैव सो मेनी शेड्स टू देयर कैरेक्टर, जो कि ट्रेलर में नहीं रिवील हुआ ऑब्वियसली, बट हाँ प्रोमिनेंटली बिकॉज इट्स अराउंड सैफ अली खान एंड डिम्पल कपाड़िया, वो चीजें भी ज्यादा ट्रेलर में नहीं पता चली. एज वी प्रोग्रेस विद द एपिसोड्स एंड यू नो विद द शो, धीरे धीरे चीजें अनफोल्ड होती हैं. एंड आई थिंक it was interesting for me to see how things unfold. I wouldn't say that, oh my god, what a show, but I still liked it and I enjoyed it. And I think one thing that I liked was also कि इसके episodes they're like 35 minutes, 40 minutes long, not like 1 hour long. So that's nice. So I think for me it was like a nice show.
Yeah, that's even that's something that even I liked. इसका एक episode is longer than तुषार कपूर का entire career, 37 minutes long. So that is one thing that is good about this show. Okay, Soumya, what do you think about the show?
I liked it. I mean, जो premise भी था बहुत अच्छा था. एक तो star cast, first of all, that was a big date for all of us. I mean, सैफ अली खान है Sacred Games के बाद, this is his big production second अभी होगा. Then डिम्पल कपाड़िया है, कुमुद मिश्रा, तिग्मांशु धूलिया. So अच्छा एक तो mix है actors का, from art house to you know proper masala movies. तो पूरा एक तो स्टार कास्ट बहुत अच्छा है. देन द प्रेमाइस ऑफ कोर्स हमें बहुत सारे रियल लाइफ चीजों से भी कनेक्ट करते हैं. इवन इन द ट्रेलर आल्सो वी कैन सी दैट. तो एक बहुत ग्रिटी सा प्रेमाइस है, अच्छा. तो इट वुड बी एक्साइटिंग टू सी इट. एंड मतलब कुछ एपिसोड्स जो हमने देखे हैं स्टार्टिंग के, उसमें भी इट वाज नाइस टू सी हाउ द शो प्रोग्रेसेस एंड जो रियल लाइफ इंस्टेंसेस उन्होंने लिए हैं, एंड इट वाज एंगेजिंग, आई शुड से दैट.
True, but I'll slightly differ in the opinion because I didn't like the show much. Because तो ज्यादा ही hopscotch सा लगा मुझे इसका पूरा premise, you know, like पूरी इन्होंने मतलब मिश-मैश है सब कुछ, plot lines कहाँ जा रहे हैं, क्या हो रहा है, क्या लोग कर रहे हैं, क्या बोल रहे हैं, कुछ समझ में नहीं आया खास. Also, I have a problem with how, you know, if they have to show a Kanpuriya premise in a show, तो हम क्या कह रहे हैं, हम ये कह रहे हैं, ऐसे करके ना, they give each character a tone, and in this show they had to give a हरियाणवी premise to the characters. So सबने तन्ने सुना, मन्ने क्या कहा, मन्ने तन्ने तन्ने मन्ने, सब ऐसी बात कर रहे हैं, which doesn't make much of a sense, but that's just a personal opinion of mine. Okay, so in this wide variety of actors, which actor were you the most excited to watch on screen, Shweta?
I think ट्रेलर में कुछ लोगों की ऐसे एक झलक दिख रही थी, उनके डायलॉग्स भी नहीं थे, तो हाँ थोड़ा उन लोगों के लिए वो था. आई थिंक फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल ऑफ कोर्स सैफ अली खान, बिकॉज yes, apart from that,
wow.
I was apart from that I was excited to see Sunil Grover in this very different avatar that we've never seen him as. So ye ek aur one of my you know most awaited sort of a role था. उसके अलावा I think मेरे को परेश पहूजा का रोल अच्छा लगा, who is playing the role of रघु, जो डिम्पल कपाड़िया के बेटे का रोल प्ले कर रहे हैं. he is comparatively a new actor. I really enjoyed जितना भी हमने उनका performance देखा, enjoyed that as well. And गौहर खान is looking absolutely beautiful as always. So I think गौहर खान का रोल भी मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा. आई थिंक बहुत सारे रोल्स हैं, सबको इतना स्क्रीन टाइम अभी नहीं मिला है उस हिसाब से जज करने के लिए कि किसका कितना अच्छा लगा, बट जितना अभी तक हमने जितने लोगों को देखा है, आई थिंक उसमें देखा जाए तो ये 3-4 लोग थे which were I think at the top of my list, and I think also Dimple Kapadia ji, because I mean she is a legend, and seeing her in a web show and जिसका बिल्कुल ही flavor बहुत ही अलग है from of course what she has also been doing all these years. So yeah, I think these were a couple of actors.
Right after doing Tenet by Christopher Nolan, she comes and does this show, which is, I don't know why I mentioned it, but just thought of mentioning it. Soumya, what about you? What about you? Which actor were you most excited for?
एक तो पहले I mean of course इसमें real life influences like I mentioned है. एक तो ज़ीशान अयूब का casting I don't know, वो एकदम perfect लग रहा था कि इसके अलावा और कोई that was of course कन्हैया कुमार जैसा वो उसमें दिखाया है रोल उस टाइप का यूथ लीडर वाला, and वो बिल्कुल ऐसे फिट लग रहा था मेरे को, that I mean he perfectly fit the bill उस एक्टर में, उस कैरेक्टर में. Then apart from that, Kumud Mishra and Tigmanshu Dhulia का of course रोल उतना ज्यादा नहीं है, we see that in the trailer as well, but Kumud Mishra मेरे को बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं. Ever since Rockstar में वो आए थे खटाना भाई बनके, तब से मुझे बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं. And इसमें भी बहुत सारे dialogues नहीं है, but just his expression starting में जो reactions देते हैं वो they were just lovely. Then Dimple Kapadia, she's doing her digital foray with this. She's also looking absolutely stunning, and abhi and as the show progresses उनका role gets meatier and stronger and more intense, तो वो बहुत अच्छा लगता है. Apart from that, we also get to see the Pataudi Palace for the first time on screen with this. Saif का he has allowed shooting in this, तो वो भी काफी अच्छा premise लग रहा है.
Like Soumya said, that I personally am really excited to see Tigmanshu Dhulia on screen each time, because I think he's a phenomenally good actor. यार वो बहुत सी acting कर सकता है बंदा. I think he should act more. Yeah. Now it's time for the age trivia, because I am, as you guys know, obsessed with age. Why is Tigmanshu Dhulia playing Saif Ali Khan's dad when he's just 3 years older to Saif Ali Khan? That is weird. Why? Why are they doing this? Why do they do this? Shweta, why did they hire Tigmanshu Dhulia, who's just 3 years older than Saif Ali Khan, to play Saif Ali Khan's dad? Why do you think that happened?
I really think that I think you should do a one-to-one session with all the casting directors whenever we do a review of any show or film. I am going to try कि हम एक interview करें, just you and the casting director, so that you can just address all these stupid questions to them. Because now,
yeah, it's true. I mean,
it is true.
I mean,
I think they do it for him only. I think they do it exclusively to annoy him and to irk him, to irk Abhijit के एक review में point आएगा. I think they do it because of him.
Even when you've made that point कि वो 3 साल बड़े हैं जो भी है, but just the fact that he fits really well into the role. I mean, I did not see that age gap और वो सब वाली चीजें, वो सब मेरा ध्यान उस पर नहीं गया, very honestly. I think that was also because how nice the story was. I mean, that's what I felt. But yeah, I think it's fine, Abhijit. We have to deal with it. That's how life is.
I think one day I'll come to terms with this.
Also, Sunil Grover, for some reason, वो इतना ऐसे straight face लेके जो खड़ा रहता है, constipated face लेके. I don't know for what reason, बहुत पूरा time ऐसे face बना के. We know him as the funny man. I mean, even in movies, मतलब पहले भी जैसे देखा है, गजनी में हो किसी में हो, इतना अच्छा वो फनी रोल्स करता है. और उसके बाद इसमें जब वो ऐसे खड़ा हुआ था, मुझे बहुत हंसी आ रही थी, पता नहीं उसकी शक्ल देख के ही.
I didn't like Sunil Grover much in this show. I'm sorry for all the Sunil Grover fans out there, but I think he just looked very forced. Like it's like वो बिल्कुल force करके he's putting that demeanor on. I didn't like Sunil Grover. Shweta, what do you think? I think
like what Soumya said कि मतलब we've seen him. I mean, obviously, none of us expect him to like start cracking a joke in the middle of a serious conversation, but still, it's like a huge transition from what we've seen him as to what he is in this show. Secondly, उसके dialogues ही नहीं है यार ज़्यादा, मतलब he's just standing there and just doing like little bit थोड़े बहुत जो कुछ भी eye movement से कर रहा है या जो कुछ भी अपनी गर्दन हिला रहा है, it's just like those little things that he's doing. So I honestly would have wanted to see more of him, and like उसका character graph थोड़ा और अगर better होता तो I think that would have been obviously more interesting also.
Yeah, right now he's standing like some Arnold Schwarzenegger ka Terminator, like welcome to the chopper. He's just standing like this and not saying anything. He's just standing very stiff about it, like T-200 or something. Yeah. But one thing that I found really, I would say shocking about this show was because they took a really big dig at one of the biggest political parties in the country.
Yeah.
And they took names and they
Right in
said
the beginning,
some
right in the
right in
beginning,
the
huh?
beginning, you know. So you guys have to see that, because initially I was like, okay, wait, ye kuch matlab maybe they'll change the names or something, but no, they just took the names and with
और
the
उसमें
actual names,
जोक्स मार रहे हैं भाई, जोक्स
हाँ.
मार रहे
jokes मार रहे हैं, yeah, and some really
And
bad
I think
jokes for that
because
matter.
I mean अभी political scenario में से उन्होंने जैसे JNU का VNU करा है, गोमती नगर
VNU
को
का.
गोमती नगर करा है in the show, but ये this they kept intact, you know,
They
कुछ
kept
से
it,
change नहीं किया.
yeah,
Right.
yeah, exactly. So I found that very shocking. Okay, so what did you not like about the show? Starting with you, Shweta, what did you not like about the show?
What did I not like about the show? I think, like you mentioned, कि थोड़ी सी खिचड़ी सी हो गई है शो में, क्योंकि इतने सारे लोग हैं, इतने सारे कैरेक्टर्स हैं, हर किसी का कैरेक्टर, like for example, if you see someone in episode 1 in a certain scene, episode 2 में याद करना कि उसका कौन से सीन पे एंड हुआ था, and like from where he is coming, वो थोड़ा सा मुश्किल हो जाता है to just connect. तो I think इन चीजों की वजह से मेरा कनेक्ट शो से थोड़ा कम बन पाया. As far as that is concerned, हाँ, मतलब इतने सारे एक्टर्स हैं, that's like a very nice, you know, treat for the fans and all of that. But बहुत ज्यादा एक्टर्स हैं यार, and बहुत ज्यादा लोग हैं, बहुत, it's just too much after a while. So I think that is one thing which made it a little difficult for me to connect with the show. I think probably that's the only thing that I could think of right now. But yeah, that's what it is.
Right. Soumya, what about you?
You know, पूरा ministership, kingship वाला, and they go through all the chaotic corridors, power वाला, but I think they should have added a little more mystery to things. I mean, the show was a little predictable for me. मुझे पता चल रहा था कि हाँ, ये इसको मारने वाला है, वो उसको मारने वाला है, यही होगा. So I knew that. तो वो that was a setback for me in the show, more than anything else.
But I think season 2 mein they should bring a new character, name the character Arjun, and then instead of naming the show Tandav, they should name it Pandav. Then just go. That would be very interesting.
To the next.
You know, yeah.
अब टाइम है ये पड़ाव पे जाने का, अभिजीत.
Yeah. अगला पड़ाव यही है कि सो क्या इन नटशेल क्या आप रेकमेंड करेंगे शो को अपने दोस्तों को, रिश्तेदारों को, फ्रेंड्स, फैमिलीज को? श्वेता, वुड यू रेकमेंड दिस शो?
Yes, I would, because सबसे पहली बात,
you hate them.
No, I don't hate them. No, I genuinely did enjoy the show. हाँ, कुछ चीजें हैं जो which made it difficult for me to connect, but ऐसे on the whole देखा जाए तो performances अच्छी हैं, storyline is not bad. Yes, I would repeat again कि it's not a oh my god what a show, but still it's nice in comparison to what we're seeing. And secondly, I think right now और कोई इतना बड़ा शो, कुछ इतना इंटरेस्टिंग शो अभी आ नहीं रहा है. So I would, it's not like you have to go and spend money and like go to a theater to watch it. It's just available on Amazon Prime, and whether or not we say it or not, people are going to watch it or not going to watch it. But I think that for all these actors, for all these things, for all the digs that they're taking at, you know, the political scenarios and all of that, in some reasons की वजह से, I think yes, people should watch Tandav.
Okay, Soumya, do you agree?
Yeah, I think I would recommend it to people. Plus, I mean, for you know, अभी तो सारे web series आते हैं that we have to watch alone because of a lot of reasons. But I think these kind of show जैसा ये है, तो I think I can sit with my father and पूरी family के साथ I can sit and enjoy this. And they would also enjoy it. पूरी starcast इतनी अच्छी है, तो I think वो थोड़ा interesting लगेगा, because काफी सारे web shows में we don't get to see a lot of big stars. So I think the whole starcast is a plus point for the show. And I think people would enjoy it, you know. I don't know how many millennials would like it, but I think पूरी family के साथ देखने के लिए it's a seemingly good show.
Okay, पूरी family के लिए अगर देखना है तो then there's Shaktiman available on YouTube for free. You know, just saying, just putting it out there.
I mean, political thriller देखनी है तो ऐसे ही, I mean, in this genre मेरे को राजनीति बहुत अच्छी लगती है जैसे.
Shaktiman is a political thriller. Guys, don't let the show fool you. It was a big political thriller if you see it from the other perspective. You know, so that's a different story. But I personally couldn't connect with the show क्योंकि मेरा internet काम नहीं कर रहा था. I couldn't connect with it. But once it started working, then I tried to connect with the show, but then I still couldn't metaphorically connect with the show. So I don't think I'll recommend it very aggressively to the people around me. Baki bhaiya, maybe it's not my cup of tea, but if you guys have watched it, are watching it, and if you liked it, didn't like it, please do let us know in the comment section. Please also let us know whether you liked our review or not, and if there's anything else, कोई भी show, कोई भी movie वगैरह which you want us to review, we will be more than happy to do it. So till then, this is me Abhijit Bhatt signing off with team Shosha, Shweta Rashmi and Soumya Sharma, and जल्दी मुलाकात होती है आपसे एक नए रिव्यू के साथ. तब तक के लिए stay tuned and stay safe.